Hello and welcome. Welcome to the Low English Dictionary channel. Testing, testing. Can this be heard from anywhere here? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and welcome to the Low English Dictionary channel. I'm trying to test out the chat function. I lost the capabilities of the chat. That's the problem now. So if you can hear me, please just write on the chat box that you can hear me, because I think I crashed my display and then my screen crashed, and I have to build it up, and somehow I have lost some of the things that we used to do. My chat box cannot pop up. I don't know what I've tried my best. Still, I don't see the pop-up of the chat. I don't know whether it's the source. Someone, if you know how to make it. Oh, Edward says I can hear you. Yes, you can hear me, but now my chat cannot come to the screen. Usually I get the chat on the screen. Thank you, thank you. Technology, technology, technology. All right, so today we're going to talk about verbs and using verbs in sentences. This is book 10. Book 10 we did like 2-3 years ago, but still it doesn't cost much to do it again, because I noticed that very many people are looking for the verbs. So verbs is the most searched for item. So we are going to read a Luo language in book 10. And in book 10, we're going to talk about things like sleep. Wow, so my chat has refused, my guys. So this is sad. All right, so it's sleep. And sleep is ni ndo. Ni ndo. That's sleep. Then wake is chi e wo. Ni ndo. Chi e wo. Chi e wo. Chi e wo. Obatala erokamano ahinya, iwacho ni isedonjo e class. Yeah, chat function now lal Obatala. I will reconstitute this thing, but I can see your chats. They cannot pop on the screen, but I can see them. Thank you for joining the chat box, the chat. Let me see if I can one more. So just one thing. Instant replay. Alright, so I've tried the most I can. This thing doesn't seem to work. I don't know what I did. Sorry. Oh. Alright, so let's move on with the class lesson. Play is to go. To go. Then read is saw more. Saw more. Then write is nde ko. Nde. De ko. Nde ko. Nde ko. Nde ko. So let's go over them again. Ne ndo. Chi e wo. To go. So mo. Nde ko. Nde ko. Nde ko. So mo. To go. Chio. Nendo. Then another set of words is right here. And what is this set right this time around? We r. We r. Where. Mi e l. Miel. Mi e l. Miel. Le mo. Lemo. Le mo. Te do. Te do. Te do. Ch a m o. Chamo. Ch a mo. Chamo. Ch a mo. Chamo. Where. Miel. Lemo. Tedo. Chamo. Then the last one of the three is ma d o. Mado. Ma d o. Mado. Bi ro. Biro. D I. D. D. D I. This you can for those who know something on the Bible, when they say thee, it's the same thing. They, thee, they. Wu, o, to, wu, oto, wuoto. Wu, o, to, wuoto. Ri, ngo, ringo. Mado, biro, de, wuoto, ringo. So those are like 15 verbs that we've just talked about. And the next part is how to get sentences from the verbs. Now today I'm having very many technical difficulties. I don't know whether I've dropped frames. I'm having technical difficulties. Please bear with me. Sometimes these things happen. I don't know what happened to my screen. Some chat just decided to misbehave, and that's it. It just misbehaved once and that's it. So I can no longer see your charts on my screen, which is sad because I usually want my the charts to appear on the screen. I cannot see your alerts. Like I can see Andrew Muni has liked the stream, but it doesn't appear on my chat box. It doesn't appear up here, so I'm very sad. Anyway, let's look at some sentences, and the first one we shall look at is to do with nyewo. Nyewo. You see that now it's coming up, but I can't see it on the screen. That's the thing. The sound is coming, but the display is not there. Okay. Adwa nyiewo law ma ni kod maradadi. Adwa nyiewo law ma ni kod maradadi. I want to buy clothes that has decorations. Okay. Number 2. Idwa uso na ang'o. Idwa uso na ang'o. Idwa uso na ang'o. Okay. Number 8. Number 3. Ka ipodho to abiro nyiero. Ka ipodho to abiro nyiero. Ka ipodho to abiro nyiero. Then the next one. Nyathino ywak nang'o. Nyathino ywak nang'o. Nyathino ywak nang'o. Nyathino ywak nang'o. Then the next one talked about omera maduong'. Omera maduong'. Maduong'. Riembo ga nyamburko. Omera maduong' riembo ga nyamburko. Omera maduong' riembo ga nyamburko. Then the next one. Adwa nindo chon. Adwa nindo chon. Let me remove my big head. Kawuono nikech nyoro ne waruwo piny. Adwa nindo chon kawuono nikech nyoro ne waruwo piny. Nyoro ne waruwo piny. Then the next one says, ne onyisa ni odhi bet e tie yien. Ne onyisa ni odhi bet e tie yien. Ne onyisa ni odhi bet e tie yien. Then the next one. Onego ichung' malo ka iloso koda. Onego ichung' malo ka iloso koda. Onego ichung' malo ka iloso koda. Wang'ni. Wang'ni. Ka uloro sikul. Wang'ni. Ka uloro sikul. Ibiro dhi limo dani. Wang'ni. Ka uloro sikul. Ibiro dhi limo dani. Okay? Wang'ni. Ka uloro sikul. Ibiro dhi limo dani. Weche ma owacho go chalo mana lek. Weche ma owacho go chalo mana lek. Weche ma owacho go chalo mana lek. Whatever he's talking about is like a dream. Adhi chopo sa ang'wen. Adhi chopo sa ang'wen. Adhi chopo sa ang'wen. Ka iyie, Mwangi wa Joroge, asante sana. Ka iyie to duok na nanga. Oh my goodness. Ka iyie to duok na nanga mane ikawo cha. Ka iyie to duok na nanga mane ikawo cha. Mwangi is saying an e class. Andiko koro. Erokamano Mwangi wa Joroge. Arwaki. The next one says, mano doko duoko. 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 Kar donjo nigi koni. Kar wuok nigi kocha. Kar donjo nigi koni. Kar wuok nigi kocha. Kar donjo nigi koni. Kar wuok nigi kocha. I'll say that again. Kar donjo nigi koni. Kar wuok nigi kocha. And then ka aparo to adhi mede e kwan. Ka aparo, ka aparo, to adhi mede e kwan. Ka aparo to adhi mede e kwan. Then the next one. Wachne ni an eyo abiro sani. Wachne ni an eyo abiro sani. Wachne ni an eyo abiro sani. Then los kode sama pok nindo otere no. Wuo kode sama pok nindo otere no. Los kode sama pok nindo otere no. Again. Los kode sama pok nindo otere no. Okay. Los koda nyako. Los koda nyako. Los koda nyako. And that is a rude thing, okay? Saying that. Anyalo winjo ka opuonja kwano. Anyalo winjo ka opuonja kwano. Anyalo winjo ka opuonja kwano. Sunny Peaches says oyaore. Oyaore Sunny Peaches. Idenade. Waruaki ebudho. Ka in gi penjo to penji. We welcome you and welcome. If you have a question, please ask on the chat. Guog ni gari ne onyono ma otho. Guog ni gari ne onyono ma otho. Guog ni gari ne onyono ma otho. That's a sad one. That is a very, very sad one. Okay. Then the next one. Nyasaye gwedho jogo ma lemo. 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 Okay? Nyasaye gwedho jogo ma lemo. That's the next. That's what's up. And then again, adwa gero ot machielo. Adwa gero ot machielo. Adwa gero ot machielo. Adwa gero ot machielo. I want to build another house. Adwa gero ot machielo. Then ahero chielo rech. Remember, you see what I just did there. Adwa gero ot machielo. Ahero chielo rech. Ahero chielo rech. Ahero chielo rech. So I love frying fish. Ahero chielo rech. Luok mawembe no ka pok ichame. 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 Ka imulo kor ot, lweti biro weyo ranyisi. Ka imulo kor ot, lweti biro weyo ranyisi. Then the second last one is luong na nyathi matin no. Luong na nyathi matin no. Luong na nyathi matin no. And then the last one is idwa nindo piny e tie yien. Idwa nindo piny e tie yien. Good. So those are some of the verbs that we've talked about today. I don't know whether I can just move on and finish all this. Idwa nindo piny e tie yien. Let me just finish up all this so that it's one video. Adhi goyo. Adhi means I'm going to. Rispashisia. Asante sana rispashisia. Hey, jina lako ni ngumu sana. I am going to. Adhi means I am going to. So, for example, adhi goyo. I'm going to play drums. Adhi goyo bul. I'm going to beat drums. Adhi goyo thum. I'm going to play music. Adhi goyo abal. Abal. I'm going to swim. Adhi goyo ombulu. Ombulu. I'm going to vote. Adhi goyo olang. I'm going to ring a bell. Adhi goyo Olang. I'm going to ring a bell. So let me start again. Adi goyo. I'm going to play. I'm going to beat. Adi goyo bull. I'm going to beat drums. Adi goyo thum. I'm going to play music. Adi goyo abal. I'm going to swim. Adi goyo ombulu. I'm going to vote. Adi goyo olang. I'm going to ring a bell. Okay? Then the next set is boil. Ahero ringo. Sorry. Ahero ringo ma ochwak. Ahero ringo ma ochwak. Or ma ochwaki. Ahero ringo ma ochwaki. I love boiled meat, okay? So ahero, I love. Wahero, we. Gihero, they. Ohero, he, she. Uhero, y'all, you and they, you all. Uhero. Okay? We talked at length about this last week. Then there is another one of hope, which is angigeno ne adhi tieko tij ni. Angigeno ni adhi tieko tij ni. Angigeno ni adhi tieko tij ni. Then the last one, not the last one, but this the next one. Adwa puro tie chiel. Adwa puro tie chiel. Adwa puro tie chiels. This is difficult because you get to look at this and say tie because you're used to the English pronunciation, and then you see the E and the I here, then you don't know how to pronounce it. So this is tie, but in Luo you say tie, tie. So don't get confused. It is a very confusing word. Tie chiel. Adwa puro tie chiel. Pok abilo chiemo ma chal kama. I'm trying to use it often. You see that here? Pok abilo chiemo ma chal kama. Pok abilo chiemo ma chal kama. Pok abilo chiemo ma chal kama. Then the next one says ne omako luet chiege e siro. Ne omako luet chiege e siro. Some people say chiro. The people from Kodiaga, where I come from, say siro. But some people say chiro. Ne omako luet chiege e siro. Or luet chiege e siro. Atieno, karibu sana. Amosi niyo yaore kuma intia atieno. Akeni ensadi kama intieno. Then the last one. Ket gino e wi mesa. Ket gino e wi mesa. Ket gino e wi mesa. So those are some of the sentences that you can use with the verbs. And for those who are watching, if you want to, please, I want you to maybe, I'll put the verbs on the screen. Then what you can do is you can create sentences and put on the chat box, and then we can discuss the sentences. So that way it is interactive. So if you're watching and you have, you can type, please type in a sentence of one of the verbs that we are using here. Just write it, even if it's wrong, we can correct it, and then that's the way to learn. And thank you so much for always supporting the channel. As I look through, what the problem is that I cannot see my alert boxes. Oopsie. So please just type in a word using any of these verbs, or any of verbs that you feel you want to use, just so that we can have something going on. I'm trying to see how I can bring the alert box up. Oh, en gokinyi, erokamano. Erokamano Atieno. Wan koth gowa kaendi ma. Test. Erokamano, iwacho ni kawuono ichiew maber. Wan be wachiew maber. Koth ema ochako kae ma goyowa mang'eny ahinya. Yawa chat box odagi tiyo, odagi biro malo. Ka in gi penjo, adwaro ni penji, nikech koro wadwaro loro. Kiny wantiere kaendi sa, kiny cha wantie ka adier. Kiny chal ni wabo bet kaendi chakre sa 5. Seche gagi, sana en sa 5 gi dakika 43. Koro kiny abro temo mondo sa 5 owang'e oyudwa ka. I hope ni kiny boyudo ka iwacho ni kae to liet, nyithindo dhi tugo oko. Karwa kae ndikore ka pod wan gi ng'ich matin. Erokamano. Mano ber. Mano chiegni, wan wachiegni chopo kanyo, wabiro chopo kanyo dwe mar 8. Dwe mar 6 7 kae, wan be wachopo mana kama liet, koro ji dhi mana go abal. Sani to pi ng'ich maonge, ng'ato ok nyal go abal kuma wantieni.